Hi, good night. My name is Zacarias Fulop, and I will be talking this night about HP, Hewlett Packard. So many people know about Hewlett Packard. Hewlett Packard is a technological company that provides equipment, provides computer, databases, many things. But not many people know about the other things that HP does. So I want to share with you tonight about the Hewlett Packard social responsibility. Hewlett Packard is very involved. Hewlett Packard is highly involved and with the public, not only on providing information, providing computers, but also helping the people that are in need. So they have many social programs around the world. So tonight I want to share with you 3 of the main social programs that HP has around the world. So I want to speak tonight about how HP is strengthening health system in the world. So HP is helping many hospitals and many doctors in order to improve health care in the world, in many countries that are in need. So, well, with the use of technology, HP is a company that provides technology and makes technology to the world. So they provide computers, they provide also technological devices to many hospitals in the world in order to improve the treatment of the patients. So one of the main projects that HP has in the world is the Hospital Universitario de Mirevalles. It's a hospital that is located in Haiti. And I don't know if everyone knows here, but in 2010, Haiti, that it's an island in the Caribbean, had a major, in Central America actually, had a major earthquake that damaged the major city in Haiti. So what HP did was to build a hospital in Haiti. They built a 205,000 square foot hospital with a capacity of 300 beds, providing help in order to help the people that were in need in 2010. The problem is that in IT, the resources are not very much. They don't have many resources. They have problems with electricity. They have problems with technology. So HP was faced with a very big challenge because they didn't have they built a very nice and very new hospital, very modern hospital, but they didn't have the equipment in order to run the hospital. They didn't have electricity. They didn't have all the main things to run a modern hospital. So what they did is they built electric plant. They brought many resources, technological resources, in order to be able to run a major hospital in IT. So not only they provide the equipment and they build the hospital, but they are also using their employees, HP employees, to help the people in the hospital with their knowledge. They help to build databases. They help to and given accessory to how to work with the computers and with the very technological equipment that they have in the hospital. So that's the first main thing that HP is doing. The second thing is it's a project called the Early Infant Diagnostics Project. It's in Africa, as you know. I don't know, many people know that Africa is a continent with a high rate of HIV. Yeah, see, I don't know, HIV. So what HP is doing with this? So by using technology to connect remote clinics, HIV test results can be provided to laboratories and other major hospitals in a quicker way. The problem in Africa is that they have many people with HIV, and if you don't provide the treatment very fast when they are young, when they are children, then the expectancy to survive is very small. So what they do is they build databases in many remote areas, rural areas, in Africa, and with that, and they build a computer program and a database that covers all Africa. And with a scan, you're able to scan the blood test, for example, And with this, the children that are tested in the blood test, they're able to, the major hospitals are able to know if this children has, if this kid has HIV or not. And knowing that, they are able to work with the patient and give him the treatment that they need. So it's calculated that they are helping around 200,000 infants in Africa. And it is expected that the number will grow by 2014 by 220,000 people. So they are helping in a very, very great way to kids in Africa that have HIV on improving and on making faster the treatment that they receive. Another major project, and this is the third project I'm going to speak tonight, is the e-health center. The e-health center is located it's been done in India, in many cities in India. And this consists on it's a small box that contains many medical equipment that can be transported by airplane, by train, or by even car. So here they have many equipment. The problem in India is that they have many places, rural places that they don't have any hospital access to medicine, to good medicine. They don't have even doctors. So in this box they have many equipment, technological equipment, in order to provide health treatment to the patients. They also have in this box they have a computer with the possibility of doing Skype and speaking with other doctors in other areas. In order to the doctors in Skype, they're able to treat the patients and see the patients by camera, while they are able to examine the patients by Skype. So this is improving a lot of things in the health system in India. Another thing that they have is they have also small equipment to do it's like a small lab in this box in order to make blood tests, in order to make other important exams, medical exams, in order to treat patients. So now that we covered the three major things that HP is doing, I want to also mention another projects that HP is doing around the world. So we have another project that is called Mother to Mother, which is a training campaign to prevent mothers with HIV to prevent the transmission to their son. Many women are pregnant with having HIV, and if the possibility of making the son being born without HIV is very high. You only have to make a shot, you only have to provide the mom a shot, and that will cure the baby. But the problem is that the people they don't know that they have HIV in Africa. So they are testing people, they are helping testing people in Africa, and people also are scared. The mothers are scared because they are embarrassed of saying that they have HIV. So they are also educating the population, and in order to prevent the kids of having HIV. Another major project is the Ayurveda Trust in Delhi, India, which offers over 10,000 checkups to patients each month. It's also helping a lot. And also they built a hospital called Lucy Parker Children's Hospital that's located in San Francisco. And it's a non-profit hospital, they don't charge anything. And they have 650 physicians and 4,705 staff support and volunteers to treat babies, children, adolescents, and expectant mothers. So they also are helping people here in the States. So I hope that with my presentation, now you're able to know more about the actions that HP Hewlett Packard is doing in the world, and how it's not only a company that it's worried about the profits, but it's also worried about helping the people around the world. Thank you.
Good job. Good job. Should I go?
So.